Very exciting news. Adobe is allowing me to sneak 2 new features. These are unreleased features that are coming soon in Lightroom. Let's check them out. So I have 2 new features coming in Lightroom that I want to sneak to you right now. Okay, I can't believe Adobe's letting me sneak these features, but let me show you the first one that's going to be coming out soon. So when I shot this photo recently with Megan, I had in mind a cyberpunk kind of a feel, which is why I lit it with these gels and her fingers here to interact with an interface. Now, if I want to add all that, let me show you exactly how I can do it with the first new feature. So if we go under Export, we can choose to edit in Firefly. This takes the image directly into Adobe Firefly, where I can add a prompt. And I can also choose which model I'm going to use. I'm going to use Nano Banana Pro. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to have her interacting with a glass interface with the UI. Okay, so let's go ahead and generate. And there we go, we've created our cyberpunk scene. Let's look at the second feature. Okay, here's a beautiful sunset scene that I shot with my drone. And I didn't shoot video, but what if I want to turn this into video? You guessed it. I can export, generate a video from image. Okay, so for the prompt, let's do paddling into the sunset. And then for the model, we have all these different models to choose from. We're going to do VO 3.1. And then we choose generate. All right, let's have a look. All right. And you can see everyone's paddling there. And you can even see the drone starting to move forward. That's awesome. All right then, I can't tell you exactly when, but I can tell you that these 2 new features are coming to Lightroom soon. Drop a comment and let me know how you would use these. And by the way, if you want to know what's new inside of Photoshop, they just released a new update. Check out this video right here. And if you're new, welcome to the cafe. Hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications. You won't miss any of my tutorials. And until next time, I'll see you at the cafe.